Hello Jeet Pinnacle family members. Today I'm gonna give you two options. First, 1 rupee, which is doubled each day up to 30 days. Second option, 5 crore now. And I know 95% people will go for 5 crore. Why? Because they don't believe in compounding development. Yes, the topic today I'm gonna get you, that is compounding development. What is compounding development? I wanna tell you. Nowadays, people have been getting us quick fix, quick solution, quick tactics. Why they have been giving these all things? Because through this we become fit, we become keynote speaker, we lose our weight and become smart. We people can get these results quickly, but we cannot sustain these all results up to long. And you know very well, whenever you get everything soon, it does not get you a good result. We cannot sustain it. You cannot sustain it. And when something takes time, then it gets you better results. It gets you best returns. Why? Let me give you the example of the compounding development. As I have already told you, 1 rupee every day doubled each day. It means up to 30 days. And 5 crore. So mostly people go for the 5 crore. It means second option. Why? Because they don't believe in compounding development. And those people who believe in compounding development, it means they want to nurture their qualities. They want to take time. They want to learn with ease and they want to develop with ease. They, of course, take the fast decision, but slowly they change them. They don't believe in getting the fast results. Results do not come to us very soon. If they come to us, so it means they are a kind of quick solution, and you can't sustain these results. So compounding development also is like that. Those people who go for the 5 crore, they would try to demean you. They would try to prove that you have taken the wrong decision. But prove them when you sustain for a long. Prove them when you have been waiting for your result for a long. You have been investing your time. 100% you will get the good results. Because that 1 rupee each day, which is being doubled, after 30 days or same 30 day, it would convert into more than 5 crore, which is more than second option. Yes, if you look a bit back, if you go back and if you find 25th and 26th day, and if you check the amount, if you compare this amount, 26th day amount up to that 5 crore, of course it would be 1 crore 30, 1 crore 40 lakh, not more than that. In this way, second option, those who have chosen, these people will try to prove that you are wrong. But you wait, have patience, and check it out. After 30 days, you would be right. You have the choices. You have to choose. And those people who invest their time, they are gonna get the good returns. But they will not get the good returns soon. Same is with my members. Because when I train them to speak English, they want the quick solution. They want the quick fix. It's not a day task. It takes so many days. But everything which is in this session, what is required, that is practice, and which we are making them do. We always make you people attend the conversation class. Why? It's a compounding development. Through this conversation class, you people can improve. We always take your online live session. Why? Through this online live session, we just check you people how you are making the mistakes and how we can eliminate your mistakes. We every day get you group discussion. Why? In this way, you can think out of the box and you can create the framework for your success. You can work on pros and cons. So this is the compounding development, which really I wanted to share with you. So thank you guys for listening to me.